Hello again, everybody. This is Mea Shana, and we have another job which is scheduled for interview October 24. That will be Tuesday, tomorrow. The interview venue will be in our office in Tokyo at Kanda Station. The job description for this would be aircraft maintenance. This is basically for loading for cargo, and the salary starts from 180,000 yen to 240,000 yen. There will be bonus also for this position. So we are looking for 2 people. So again, we are looking for 2 people, and the job description is aircraft maintenance, basically for cargo loading. So the job area for this will be in Narita City in Chiba. So if you are willing to apply for this, just comment down below, or you can also call our office number at 03-620-68058. For more jobs, we do have jobs scheduled for interview from Monday to Sunday. So our schedule is 12 noon, but the actual interview will start at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Thank you.